Hey guys, welcome to Holistic Mojo. I'm Sahara Lee, and today we are doing the second part of our Quick Start Fire Cider Extravaganza. So if you haven't done the first part, you're gonna wanna click the link below to go ahead and get that information before we start this second immunity boosting blend. I promise, super quick. And then once you've got that, come on back. So if you already have your digestive blend made, you can just stick with that one, or you can marry the two together all in one blender sitting. So real quick before we get started on this immunity boosting blend, you need to have your digestive one either made or have all the ingredients already in your blender for that. You are going to strain this version because otherwise it's essentially applesauce consistency or like a thick soup consistency. I actually think it tastes really good and wouldn't mind eating it as a soup, so that's also an option for you. You are going to want to refrigerate this one afterwards. There's just a ton of produce essentially in it, and while I don't know if it really needs to be refrigerated, I make a lot of it at a time, so I like to refrigerate it. As always, you're going to want to save your jars so that you can reuse them to store your apple cider vinegar, fire cider in afterwards. And one thing that is not in this video that I normally always put in my fire cider is some form of chili pepper, whether there's a jalapeno or a habanero, whatever you have. I just didn't have anything when I made this particular batch, so it didn't make it in. C'est la vie. But you might definitely want to add that in, especially if you like the spice like I do. All right, let's get started. For your fire cider immunity blend, you want to have the digestive fire cider already made. And then you're gonna also want to have a ginger root, some horseradish root, which you can see right here. I've got it in the white, which is already been peeled. And then just so you know what it looks like unpeeled, it's a gnarly root. You're gonna want an onion, a garlic bulb, grapefruit, a lime, another jar of apple cider vinegar, some fennel seed, a lemon, black pepper, and more honey. And all of this is just gonna get chopped up and tossed into the blender. The grapefruit, lime, and lemon, however, are just gonna get squeezed. And again, we're gonna go to taste with your honey. So somewhere between 4 and 8 ounces, it's really up to you.